Hello, and welcome to T-Slots. Today, in our product overview series, I'm going to be talking about our C-channel extrusion and our carriage bearing. These two products go together to create a sleek and functional sliding door application, great for uses in enclosures or for some simple shelving units. The carriage bearing is also great for a hanging tool trolley or an airline system. But today, we're going to be focusing on the sliding door application. Some quick reminders before we start is that the sliding door application will require machining, and it is only functional with our B-Series product line. Today, for this sliding door application, we are going to start with the extrusion and the carriage bearing. This is the side of the extrusion that you will have your wire mesh or paneling already connected to. Using the carriage bearing and the preloaded hardware, drop it into the slot of the extrusion. Using your Allen wrench, fasten it down. And this is where you will need to connect it to your C-channel. If your guarding is already in place, you'll want to have the machining done on top and have your C-channel connected with the carriage bearings already installed. For this application, we have not completed our framing. We will take the carriage bearing, slide that into the C-channel, taking the adjoining T-slots, using the hardware to fasten that down. With this, you now have your framing, and from here, you now have a great sliding door application that is used for enclosures or other shelving units. Thank you for watching. I hope this information on our C-channel extrusion and our carriage bearing was useful for you. For additional information, please visit us at tslots.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and our videos to receive more information and content. Thank you.